The perspective of immortality varies religiously and scientifically. Whatever it is, we found out some creatures that live longer naturally. The term is biological immortality, and it refers to a decrease in cellular degradation or stable cellular activity after a considerably long living period, or sometimes throughout the entire life cycle. A creature can pull off mortality through gradual death, injury, or by infection. This is called senescence, and a few special species achieve negligible senescence, presenting the animals that have lived long enough and are still kicking ass. Number 1. Lobsters. They show no sign of aging and continue to exist for decades together. Although only a few have been observed, like this dark red crustacean, probably New York City's oldest lobster, reported to be close to 140 years old. While it's known that lobsters succumb to disease and not by old age, what many don't know is that it can reproduce till its last breath. In fact, lobsters are more fertile as they age. Here's some trivia for you. A lobster's age is calculated by its weight, so the bigger it gets, the older it is. Number 2. Flatworms. Flatworms, especially the planarians, are a promising specimen in the field of aging research. Planarian flatworms exhibit outstanding regenerative capabilities, an ability that can restore lost tissue or develop into a completely separate organism when split. The fact that they live with steady telomerase levels, and telomerase is a protein enzyme that aids cell division by enabling continuous supply of telomerase, their existence effectively makes them immortal. Number 3. Tiny water bears. They're small, adorable, and gummy bear-like creatures. These factors make them tough animals on planet Earth. Water bears are tardigrades, are microscopic 8-legged water-inhabiting organisms that can survive under any condition. From intense space radiation, cruelest low-pressure depths, adverse temperature ranges of 458 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, to the harshest deserts, they can thrive with mighty prospects. Water bears can control and stop metabolism, shed all body water content, and remain hydrated for nearly 10 years. The water bears are here to stay. Number 4. Jellyfish. A particular species of jellyfish, known as Tortoises dorni, uses a transdifferentiation process by which it can indefinitely cycle back to and fro between early polyp stage and mature medusa stage. This way, an adult jellyfish can refill its cells by reverting back to a 3-day polyploidy event, thus growing younger again. Number 5. Turtles and tortoises. A chosen few vertebrates experience negligible senescence. Researchers have found that the body of turtles and tortoises can persist for several decades without any change in functionality or reproduction capability as long as they stay clear of wounds and diseases. The best example would be Adwaita, one of the longest living animals from the family of Aldabra giant tortoise, and reaching the age of 255 years. It died back in 2006 following a flesh wound in its cracked shell. And finally, number 6, the Hydra. Like flatworms, hydras share the ability to regenerate and prolong life. Found in freshwater, these are multicellular and possess radial symmetry. Continuous cell division tramples biological defects, while it can prevent telomere loss, for example, the flow of genetic information from DNA to mRNA, thus becoming biologically immortal. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to us and hitting the like button. Feel free to leave a comment below and suggest which theory you would like to see next. If you would like to further support this channel, please consider heading to our Patreon found in the description box below and subscribing there. We appreciate your support, and as always, thanks for watching.